Resignation manipulation has got no space in the Employment Act and also in HR practice. No comeback from resignation that does not entail rehiring procedures and processes is acceptable. And comeback from resignation has to entail rehiring processes so as to be acceptable both in law and in HR practice. It can't be any other way. The appointing authority, in this case, the presidency, has to adhere to the appointment processes that are laid down and professionally execute credible and transparent procedures for the public's participation. And this has been done before. That's our first point. Our second point is resignation is a personal decision which you cannot just rescind or withdraw at will and or anytime you wish to do so. Indeed, it is a form of self-contract termination, that it is being public office, whose mandate has major implication on the nation. Extra care must be exercised and strict adherence to the employment laws and best HR practices and policies must be observed. And in this case, the best HR practices and the law, provisions in the law, have not been observed, and hence the IHRM, on behalf of the IHRM National Council, we want to state that this needs to be followed so that we have more decorum in how we carry out HR professionals.